Ever feel like you're shouting into the void? You're posting, you're pitching, you're trying to reach everyone, but you're still not attracting the right clients. Let's fix that. Because finding your ideal clients isn't about luck, it's about language, leverage, and laser focus. Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudy at Maven. Take a quick second and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and that will help us keep delivering all kinds of great information to you. Let's define the tools that every business owner needs. Number one is demographics, who they are. Age, location, revenue, industry, company size, job title. So your ideal client may be a service-based business owner in Florida, age 35 to 55, with revenue between $200,000 and $1 million. Two is the psychographics, why they buy. You're thinking psycho what? Not that kind of psycho. Psychographics, why they buy. So, values, beliefs, fears, frustrations, aspirations. Your ideal client may value quality over cost, crave structure, hate feeling overwhelmed, and want more time and less noise. Which one matters most? Psychographics wins every single time. Demographics will find your clients, but psychographics will convert them. Let's say you're targeting small business owners. Demographics alone will sound like this. I help businesses with 5 to 10 employees in the trades. That's fine, but it doesn't really connect. Psychographic targeting sounds like this. I help overwhelmed business owners get out of the bookkeeping spiral so that they can lead and not waste time chasing receipts. Now you're speaking their language because you're not just selling services. You're solving the emotion behind the problem. So how do you know which one to use when? Use demographics to pick the right hashtags, groups, or email lists. Use psychographics to write headlines that hook, to craft offers that feel made for them, and to build long-term trust and loyalty. So again, demographics find your ideal clients, but psychographics are what pull them in. So here's your Maven move for this episode. Create a 2-part profile for your dreamiest client. 1, download the Ideal Client Clarity Grid worksheet. It's down below in the description. 2, write their demographics. Location, income, industry, plumbers in Reno, Nevada, boasting $750,000 and up in sales. 3, write their psychographics. Pain points, beliefs, buying triggers. They're never caught up, can't monitor employee expenses properly, and losing sleep every night because it's affecting their cash flow. Now use that combined profile to rewrite your elevator pitch, to audit your about page, to filter your marketing ruthlessly. Because if you're not speaking to someone specific, you're not speaking to anyone at all. That's the harsh truth. Your people are out there. They're frustrated, they're ready, and they're hoping someone understands them. And I want you to be the one who does. Up next, emotional leakage. What is that? Let's find out together, shall we? See you there.